So up there, in that tree over there, is a woodlark, and it's just been calling. And what a lovely call it is. It's rather fantastic. So yeah, have a look. There's a woodlark up there. I'll do some proper video in a minute, but you can see him on the camera. So rather splendid, wouldn't you say? Woodlark. When I got out of bed this morning, I thought I just want to go somewhere remote. And I remember this place in Berkshire, and yeah, this is remote. But I didn't really know what I was going to see, so I just came out for a wander. And that's the wonderful thing about wildlife. This place is rammed with woodlark. And I don't think I've even seen one of those before. Spectacular birds, and they have an absolutely amazing call, which is just so pleasant and seems just perfect for a Saturday morning, just gently going. You'll hear some. Yeah, you can hear him now actually, but I'll play some video and show you some pictures. And yeah, incredible things. So another marvellous day, just bumping into what's around. And always good to finish it off with a coffee. See ya.